Governor of Dr. Abdul Fattah Ahmed, and then of course the Chairman Senate Committee, State, His Excellency, Distinguished Senator, Engineer Dr. Otumba Benga Daniels. We welcome you. Senate Committee on Power and former Deputy Governor of Abia State, Your Excellency, Senator Engineer. Immediate past Chief of Staff to President Muhammadu Buhari, our First Professor Ibrahim Abola Gambari, CFR, to welcome you, sir. Please come on, I'd like to request all of the team members to please take their seats. All of the team members are the demonstrant. All the committee members, please, your attention is needed. Please take your seats. Welcome you, sir. We also recognize the presence of Honorable Dr. Ibrahim Otola as a parliamentarian and former Minister of Energy from the Republic. Members of the organizing committee, can you move to the sides? Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, may we please rise to receiving our special guest of honor and chairman of this occasion, the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, head of state as the 5th head of state of Nigeria, and the 12th President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Chief Olusegun Aremu Okikiola Matthew Obasanjo, GCFR, along with his vice, His Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar Waziri Adamawa GCOA, just joining us. Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may we please get ready to get this program underway. And as we get ready, we recognize the presence Kashim Imam, former Chairman Governing Council, Tambuwal, former Governor of Cross River State, and a member of the Central Planning Committee. So Leo Imoke would like to welcome you, sir. Please, as soon as the chairman returns to his seat, after exchange of pleasantries, we would like to commence the program of events for this 60th birthday colloquium in honor of His Excellency, the Right Honorable Distinguished Senator Aminu Waziri Tambuwal, CFR, the Chairman of the Senate Committee of Housing, Lands, Housing and Urban Development of the Senate, former Governor of Sokoto State. Thank you. Cameras, please move to the sides. Please may I kindly request the national anthem. Will you please be upstanding? As you rise with light of guidance, all aids, we have a place reserved for you to sit. The moment you put up on the seated, you are expected to come for aids. Thank you. Please, the national anthem and the first stanza only. We just flew into Abuja this morning. We'd like to invite Honorable Dr. Ibrahim Motoda from Malawi to please give us the prayers. Please, Your Excellency.
And Atiku Abubakar, I beg your pardon, sir. Please, sir. This photograph is important to all of us. We'd like you to come and join this picture. Thank you very much. The keynote speaker
for the resounding applause for the celebrant and his lovely wife, Iroele. Please a round of applause for them and a round of applause for Nigeria. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for standing to please move to the sides. We have a place that is reserved for all aids.
Family members, celebrants, friends and associates, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Virginia, the most senior staff of the expert, national broadcaster and presenter, and I'm your host. This is very important to celebrate our speaker,
is very distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, would like to salute His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi, who has done the needful in celebrating the very distinguished Senator Tambuwal. Permit to please join this photograph. He's the only one we're asking to come up now to join this photograph quickly. No, we won't. Thank you, sir, for obliging us. No, he has to stand beside the celebrant. It's an important photograph. Prof, please, sir. Thank you. This is not the only photograph for the day. This is the photograph of the panelists and the moderator, after which we will take other pictures as the event comes to an end.
I have said everything I wanted to say. There's nothing more to say.
There's no need. Please go out. Please out for now.
You wait.
For now, they are going for dinner. After dinner, you can do that.
His Excellency, sir.
This man, go on, they go.
No worries, since you are ready.
This man, go on.
No, they draw and
Boss. Sorry.